Amazing afternoon. Amazing afternoon, Prof. Mao. My name is Karen Mohana. I'm going to discuss the article critiquing of my chosen article or chosen topic. So for the article with the topic of influencers impact on consumers engagement and sales conversion in social media, Facebook versus Instagram. So showing also here are the related articles to the chosen topic, which is the impact of social media influencers on customers' engagement and purchase intention, a meta-analysis, and the influencers marketing on TikTok, the effectiveness of humor and followers hedonic. So for the introduction, social media is recognized as one of the most effective and useful digital marketing tools with platforms like Facebook and Instagram that provides fresh opportunities for business to engage with customers. Using social media is widely accepted and has been proven to have a significant impact on young adult and adults' life. It's interesting to remember that compared to traditional celebrities who became a well-known through TV series and movies, the digital world has created the term social media influencers as a social media platforms has become increasingly popular. Because of this, people who interact or engage with social media influencers virtually tends to feel more connected to them and believe that social media influencers are more credible in their industries such as fashion, health, and music versus celebrity endorsement in traditional advertisement. And influencers briefly become a vital part of a company's marketing plan. There have an increase in studies about influencers marketing. This introduction sets the basis to evaluate the impact of social media influencers on customer engagement and sales conversion, specifically on Facebook and Instagram. The research topic aimed to present a thorough understanding of influencer marketing and its growing impact on existing consumer decision making by connecting together platforms' behavior, meta-analytic data, and psychological factors. For the literature reviews, so these are the gathered articles or literature reviews. For the, we have here the social media influencers become known as one of the most effective tools in marketing, deeply influencing how customers interact with businesses. Recent study shows that influencers serve as a modern creative thinkers who establish strong connection with their followers because they're trustworthy, authentic, competent, and credible. Consumers now attach a greater trust in peer-based recommendation that is traditional advertising. The rise of social media influencers significantly altered business relationship according to Freiberg 2018. Influencers are opinions leaders who use credibility and authenticity to mold brand beliefs. Previous study highlights the importance of influencers' perceived knowledge, trustworthiness, and attractiveness in boosting consumer engagement and buying intention. Influencers marketing has been studied on Facebook and Instagram. Social media are being used by consumers frequently, especially for getting information for making decisions. Therefore, the idea of influencer that is well known or popular social media people who are viewed as a role model by other users has gained popularity. On topic like fashion, lifestyle, travels, these are other people follow the advice of influencers they trust. Previous study found that consumers who follow influencers are more likely to engage with branded content and develop stronger intention purchase, according to Sovoloco and Kefi of 2020. However, the impact are different depending on the platforms compared to Facebook, where conversation are usually focused and sharing information instead of impulsive buying action. Instagram managed to create better engagement rates due to its huge number of pictures and entertaining content. Peer-based recommendations are becoming more accepted by consumers versus traditional advertising, while the rise of social media influencers has significantly transformed business relationships. Influencers refers to thought individual who cultivate the brand belief that true honesty and reliability. Previous research highlights the significance of influencers' perceived knowledge, accuracy, and charisma in increasing customer engagement and purchase intention. So according to one study, social media influencer could surpass the traditional celebrity in terms of endorsements because of they interact and communicate with the customers, regularly sharing personal information and engagement, mutually beneficial relationship. They are more useful and approachable since they often share personal information and participate in reciprocal relationships. According to research conducted in the Philippines, engaging and likable have a significant impact on Filipino customers because of their perceived sincerity and more involvement in the community. Small-scale influencers were found to be more effective than celebrities at promoting engagement. So according to research conducted in the Philippines, engagement and likable influencers have a significant impact on Filipino customers. Because of their perceived sincerity and more involvement in the community, small-scale influencers were found to be more effective than celebrities at promoting engagement. In addition, there is a study explored on how Filipino students engage with influencers' content in Facebook and Instagram. It highlighted that Instagram receives higher engagement on young users, while Facebook engagement tends to be more informational, according to Matic and Ferrer of 2020. For the conclusion, influencers on social media are growing progressively more influential when it comes to how customers engage and make purchases in different online platforms. According to research comparing Facebook and Instagram, audience interaction on these platforms differs, with Instagram visual design and active use based generating higher levels of engagement. Influencers' reliability, trustworthiness, and content quality consistently result in increased engagement and buy intention, according to meta-analytic data. Consumers react more favorably to influencers who seem sincere, moral, and emotional helpful, according to research on psychological health and social responsibility. Meta-analytic data supports the assumption that influencers' reputation, reliability, and knowledge consistently promote consumers' engagement and buy intention in different social media settings. At the same time, new study highlights the importance of psychological factors, showing the consumers develop deeper trust and connections to influencers who promote well-being, ethical behavior, and social responsibility. These emotions and relational factors continue to influence how customers interact with influencers' content and make purchasing decisions. Overall, the research shows that the effective influencer marketing requires an awareness of three related factors, which are the platform's characteristic, influential traits, and consumer psychological responses. However, current study still has gap, particularly in connecting online engagement to actual sales conversion and combining platform-specific features with emotional factors. For future research must examine this relationship in greater details using different methods and real behavioral insight to better understanding how influencers shape the entire consumer decision-making process. Finally, the research showed that the influencer marketing is more than a promotional tool. It is a complex combination of multimedia layout, human connection, and effective communication, make it one of the most powerful forces in modern marketing. So that will be all. Thank you po.